themselves. But when you walk in the room, I see someone else. You say you're not perfect, but I know the truth, and I'd like to tell you what I see in you. I see a man of God who lives what he believes, a man who shows the world what a Christian should be. I've watched your life, that's why I can say I see a real man of faith.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy! Thank you for your care, love, and dedication to our family. We love you so much! We miss you!
Happy Father's Day, everyone, especially my Dada Jay. I miss you. I love you. See you soon.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy! We love you! Uwi ka na sa Pinas, Daddy. Punta ka na dyan, Beshi. You're the... Thank you for everything. You're so generous. We love you, Daddy. Thoughtful Daddy that we have. I love you so much. And I really hope na makasama kita ulit sa gawaan dito kasi miss na kita. And Happy Father's Day. You're so pogi. Love you, Daddy. I love you. Say I love you. I love you, Daddy. I love you. I love you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Yung isa busy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you.
In flying kiss.
Hi, Papa. We love you. Ingat ka palagi dyan. We miss you. God bless you always. Hi, Papa. We love you. Happy Father's Day. Gusto ko sabihin sa'yo na mag-rest ka rin, Papa, in time. Huwag mong pagodin masyado yung sarili mo. I love you.
Hi, love. How are you? Happy Father's Day. Basahin ko sana yung ginawa kong poem para sa'yo, pero wag na. Alam ko kasing iyakin ka. Kaya wag na lang. I love you. Ingat ka lagi dyan. May God keep you safe always and bless you always together with the people around you. God bless you always, my love. Happy Father's Day. I love you so much. Me, Chloe, Chelsea loves you so much. Love you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you and we miss you. Thank you for all of your sacrifices. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Very happy Father's Day to all the fathers here, especially to my papa. I love you so much, and I'd like to say that all your dedication with all the love you show regardless is amazing no matter how far you are. I hope you enjoy your day as much as yesterday, and I love you. Happy Father's Day once again.
Hi, love! Happy Father's Day! Thank you for being the best partner and the best father to our kids. Thank you for all your sacrifices. And I hope and I pray na matupad lahat ng mga plans natin in life. And always remember that we'll always be here to support all your plans in life. And yan lang. And mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. Mahal ka namin ng mga bata. And we love you!
I see a warrior, a soldier, a hero in my eyes. I see a man who's not afraid to stand for what is right. I see a man of God who lives what he believes, a man who shows the world what a Christian should be. I want